Good morning, Judd here. Another beautiful day here in Homosassa. What do we got, 70 degrees? I don't think so. That says 70 degrees. I think it's warmer than that. Bright and sunny. Just back from shopping. I had to go to the post office because the postal delivery person yesterday couldn't find a way into my house to leave that package on the porch. So they left a note in my mailbox, which is across from my driveway. And then they went down to the new access road and said there's a log in the driveway so they can't come in. Brilliant. And then they're telling me the GPS sent them there to an entirely different street. So I went to the post office, then I went to the supermarket, got me my water and my Pepsi. And then I got this nifty deluxe tire plug kit. And we will go down later and fix that tire. Want to take a look at this? This is wild, man. This is like, I thought somebody let the air out of my tires and then I inspected it. I don't know, you see anything there that kind of makes you think maybe somebody didn't let the air out of the tire? Yeah, picked that up at Home Depot a couple weeks ago. About time I fixed that. Walmart wouldn't fix it because they said the drywall is rotted and if they put it on the machine to take the tire off, it's going to all fall apart. So I got the tire plug so I can just go in here without taking it off the wheel, because there's still a lot of tread on there. So that's the plans for today. Put away the groceries and fix the tire. And rumor has it, we shall see if this comes to pass, that my gardener is coming by today. We shall see, because we've got these poor innocent plants down here that so want a gardener. And despite my best efforts, they just don't believe that I'm a gardener. Amazing. Okay. More later, hopefully. Happy day to you.
Help me, Lucinda. Help me. Help us. Save us, Lucinda.
I just got notice my gardener got tied up in Tampa for a while, so she's on her way now, and she'll be here in about 40 minutes. And if I can't fix that tire in 40 minutes, then I shouldn't be fixing a tire. That's what I think. So let's have a go at this thing. First, you need a Phillips screwdriver to fix the tire. Also, I want something to mark that. I don't get one on special crayons, so I'm just going to use some tape. Take any chances. I don't know how much that's going to disappear after I take that out. Look at that. I don't know how long that baby was. That's wild. I got a free screw. It's only an inch and a quarter. Okay. The hole is very clearly there. Okay, read directions. Remove any puncturing objects, insert seam reamer into cool, slide up and down to rough and clean the inside of the hole, remove plug material, insert eye, plug a needle, with plug centered on the eye of the needle, insert the puncture until the plug is pushed approximately 2/3 of the way in, pull the needle straight out with a rapid motion, do not twist needle while pulling out, cut off excess material so it's flush, reinflate tire, and test. Oh, that sounds pretty straightforward. Okay, here's our reaming tool. You see that? Reaming out the hole, screw it in. Yeah, it went in at quite an angle. I can see this rubber is kind of dry rotted. Okay, so I got the right angle. I'll change my angle from there. Now I get it up and down. Now we remove our patching material. Sticky, which it should be because you want it to stick in there. Now we get our reaming tool. Getting it into the eye of this thing is a little tricky. There we go. Okay, coat with rubber cement. Here's our rubber cement and coat. 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 Okay, and use your paper towel to clean your fingers. No. Didn't bring a paper towel. That's what grass is for. Stick this in about 2/3. Come on, baby. Oh, man. She does not want to go in. Wow. Okay, that takes something to get in there. Okay. and pull out. Needle straight out with a rapid motion. Okay, good. Okay. Whew. That was a little workout. I am so pathetic. You've all seen this before. This is the way they always used to do it. Do, 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 do. Cool. Although that rubber did look pretty lousy. If I keep this car around much longer, I'm probably going to have to buy new tires. And here's my pump. This could take a while. This thing is slow. I got one of them electric car pumps, but my cigarette lighter isn't working. That's another thing I got to fix in the car. This thing. I gotta get my other reader. I don't think that dial's working. Oh, yeah. Air coming out of there. Okay. So, I got 10, 11, 12. 12 and a half pounds. Okay, good. That's enough to take it to the gas station and pump it up. And to see if that holds overnight. And that's all I care about at the moment. That's a backbreaker pumping up with this thing. My God. Woo! There you go. Tire repair done. Now we just gotta wait on my gardener to come save my poor little plants. Okay, there you go. Disney Mama has arrived. My gardener with a truckload, a maroon van full of flowers or plants or whatever they are. Egad. Boom.
Traveling plants.
The traveling plants. We'll start a new rock and roll group.
Sisterhood of Traveling Pants or something? Is
Yeah.
that a thing? Okay.
The Sisterhood of the Traveling Plants. Cool. To be continued.